No.2i. Again, this is a differential equation, a first order differential equation, so I must check whether I can use separable variable first. If not, I will go to integrating factor method. Let me circle the variable. I have variable v and variable t. Even though over here I have a symbol plus, but here is a constant, and we can bring all of this together with dv on the left hand side. So let's conclude that we can use separable variable method. Now let us separate the variable. 1 over 3 plus v squared over v dv, and the dt will just be like this. So this part over here can be flipped because it is 1 over. So I have v over 3 plus v squared dv. And remember, we can write down 1 in front of dt. You can skip this part if you understand the concept of cross-multiplying fraction. And straight away writing the integral like this. Now, to solve the left-hand side, we think first, is it possible to direct integrate? It's not possible. Next, is it possible to use integration by substitution? Let us try. Is it possible to use integration by substitution? So let u to be the denominator and find du dv. So we have 2v. Over here we have v dv. Is it possible to get v dv from here? From the calculation, you can see that if I bring 2 to the other side, become 1 over 2, multiply with du, then we have v dv. So this is what we want. Hence, we can use integration by substitution. So let us continue. V dv is equal to 1 over 2 du. And this part, 1 over 3 plus v squared is 1 over u. Okay, the right hand side will be just t, and then don't forget to plus c. Let us rearrange this, where we can just put the constant outside the integral and then have 1 over u du. Now we are ready to integrate the left hand side, and we will get 1 over 2 ln u. Substitute again the function u, which is 3 plus v squared. So we will get 1 over 2 ln 3 plus v squared equal to t plus c. I will repeat this again. In the previous example, we have dy dx. So when we solve, we get y in terms of x. In this question, we have dv dt. So when we solve, we must get v in terms of t. So let us try to simplify this and get v as the subject. First of all, we will bring the constant to the other side and have ln 3 plus v squared equal to 2t plus 2c. And then we can have e on both sides. So from the property of log, here will be 3 plus v squared. And this will become e to t multiplied with e to c from the property of index. If we let a to be e to c, we can have this. V squared is a e to t minus 3. You can leave your answer like this, or you can have v to be square root of a e to t minus